All right, last little bit. So now we've got fractions with variables in them, which we can treat just like we normally do. So the first example, 3a over 20 plus 5a over 20. Just like we did with when we were working with only numbers, we can just add our numerators together. So we have 3a plus 5a, and we're going to divide that whole thing by 20. 3a plus 5a, that gives us a total of 8a's all over 20. Now we can reduce this just like we did last chapter as well, because we can divide both the top and bottom by 4. So if we divide both the top and bottom by 4, so 8 divided by 4 and 20 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4 is going to give us 2, so we have 2a, and 20 divided by 4 gives us 5. So the whole thing simplified gives us 2a over 5. Now number 2, this one's got a negative, and it's also got a minus sign. Now remember, when we're working with subtracting negatives, so we had negative 8 over 3b minus negative 2 over 3b, minus a negative is the same thing as adding the positive. So instead of minus negative 2 over 3b, we're going to make it plus 2 over 3b. So now when we combine them, we're going to put over one fraction, or one denominator. So we have negative 8 plus 2, which gives us negative 6 over 3b. Now again, if you can divide top and bottom by something, the same number, go for it. So we can divide both the top and bottom here by 3. So when we divide the top by 3, we end up with negative 2. And when we divide the bottom by 3, we end up with just 1. So it's really, we could write it as 1b, or typically we don't write that 1 because 1b means 1 times b. We don't need to write that because that's like me writing my name as 1 Mr. Brasser. It's kind of implied already. So our final answer is just negative 2 divided by b.